This lesson is called Friends of 10, Composing 10 with Addition Number Sentences. This lesson is based on the Kindergarten Common Core domain, Number and Operations, and Base 10. The standard that this lesson specifically addresses is compose and decompose numbers 10 through 19 into 10 ones and some further ones by using objects or drawings, and record each composition or decomposition by a drawing or equation, such as 18 equals 10 plus 8. Understand that these numbers are composed of 10 ones and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 ones. The teacher would begin by introducing the concept by saying, "Today we are going to learn how to represent the number 10, other than by its numeral. What are some ideas you already have about ways to represent the number 10? Some students might suggest putting dots in a 10 frame. Some might suggest using 10 tally marks. Others might suggest using manipulatives such as 10 counting bears or 10 counting cubes. These are all great visual representations of number 10. Now we are going to use these visual representations to help us find another way to represent number 10. We are going to make addition number sentences that are equal to the number 10. For example, you could say 6 plus 4 equals 10. One way we can make an addition number sentence is with the counting cubes suggested earlier. The teacher will have a cup of 10 counting cubes on each student's desk and a cup for herself on the projector. Let's put our cubes together in a row of 10. We can count to make sure that there are 10 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now watch me as I karate chop my row of 10 cubes into 2 separate rows of cubes. The teacher will chop the row of 10 cubes into a row of 7 cubes and a row of 3 cubes. She will push them apart on the projector so that students can see them as 2 distinct groups. Let's count how many cubes are in each group. We'll start with the first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This group has 7 cubes, so we will write a 7 above this row. Now we can do the next group. 1, 2, 3. This group has 3 cubes, so we will write a number 3 above this row. Now that we have 2 numbers up here, let's turn this into an addition number sentence to make it equal to 10. Where should we put the addition sign? We put the addition sign in between the number 7 and the number 3. Now let's finish the equation by writing an equal sign and putting a number 10 on the other side of it. Let's read our addition number sentence. 7 plus 3 equals 10. This is one way we can represent the number 10. We are ready to practice with the cubes on your desk. Take your hand and karate chop your own row of 10 at any point in the row. Push them apart to make 2 separate groups on your table. Count each new group and write the amount in each group above the group with your dry erase marker on the desk. After, fill in the addition sign, the equal sign, and the number 10 to make an addition number sentence. The teacher will check for understanding by asking students to repeat the directions. At this point, the teacher will walk around and monitor student work, clarifying student misconceptions and positively narrating correct work for the rest of the class to hear. After 3 to 5 minutes, the teacher will invite students up to share their equations on the projector, concluding the lesson on Friends of 10.